Hello everyone, welcome back to the Decor Diary, your cozy corner for smart, stylish, and simple home inspiration. Today we are exploring one of the most overlooked but important space in your home, the small bathroom. Just because it's small does not mean it cannot look stunning. In fact, smaller space gives you the perfect chance to play the bold design and smart solution. Let's begin with bold tiles. They are the easiest way to add drama and personality, whether it's a pattern flood, a colorful backsplash, or deep tone like navy blue or emerald. Bold tiles can make a small space stand out, appear more style. Another clever trick is using a floating vanity. It's not only saves floor space but also gives a light, airy feel to the room. You can place storage baskets, cabinets, or go for a sleek modern design in matte black, wood grain, or even pop color like teal. Now let's talk about storage because we all need it, especially in tight space. Use your wall smartly, add shelves above the toilet, hanging floating cabinets, or even use the back of the door for hanging basket or towel hook. Open shelving with decorative basket adds charm while hiding the clutter. If you want a seamless look, consider shelving bullet into the wall. Lighting plays a huge role too. A well lit bathroom instantly feels bigger and more open. Try a large mirror or warm light or add next to the mirror for extra brightness. For a dash of luxury, consider a mini pendant or even small to make bold style statement. Now let's bring in a mirror. They are magic in small bathroom. A big mirror reflect light and give the illusion mirror space. You can also use mirrored cabinet to make storage with style and instant a heavy shower. Go for clear glass shower screen. The visually open up the area and make the bathroom feel more modern and fresh. If you love greenery, add small indoor plant or shelves or hanging towering plants from above. It's bring life and freshness into the tiniest bathroom. Decor vertically to save space. Hang your wall art or decor higher up to draw eye upward. And a towel bar can instantly upgrade your space, add a touch of luxury without taking a space. And here a simple rule. If you are unsure about going bold everywhere, just pick one bold element like feature, wall, bright, vanity, or sticking lightings and lets it shine while keeping the rest of the bathroom lighter and neutral. This created a balanced, beautiful look without overwhelming or space. Use texture like wood, stone, matte, black finish to create interest in suitable but stylish way. So whether you are planning full remodel or just refreshing your current setup, these small bathroom ideas will help you save without sacrificing bold. Which ideas are going to try? Let us know comments below, and if this video gives you spark and inspiration, sure like the video and subscribe the channel. Decor Diary, your go-to guide making small space feel big, stylish and full of charm.